Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I am going to introduce you to C#, one of the most popular programming languages if you are beginner. This video perfect for you. Let's get started. First you need to install Visual Studio software. I don't have a powerful computer here. Because I want to tell you that you don't need a powerful system to get started. You can install any version of Visual Studio like 2012, 2013, 2015, 2017, 2019 and 2022. To get started, click on the File option, then New Project, then select the C# language and then select the console application option. To start, I write console point right line, open the parentheses and write some text in any format you like and put the text in double quotes and then put a semicolon at the end of each quote. After writing the code, on the next line we type the console command, the .red key with open and close parentheses without text. Okay, we click on the start option in the top menu and we see that the program has been printed for us. In the fact, the right line point console is used to print text. Thank you very much. I would be happy if you like and subscribe to your channel. Goodbye.